Welcome to the channel, and in this video we will dive deep with coloring comic or manga inside Photoshop with machine learning, or you could say AI. So let's dive in. I have some photos and I'm gonna drag them inside Photoshop. So you can use Photoshop beta or the normal version, doesn't matter, because we are basically gonna use neural filters, which is available on both versions. So inside neural filter, you can see the option for colorize, which basically I used to color old photos, never used on comic pages, something like that. So I'm gonna use it on this Berserk, like God's comic panel. It's gonna take quite a time, but not bad. I mean, some bluish kind of thing, but you can basically fix that by doing some manual tweaking or something like that. Feel free to do it, like adjusting color tone, saturations, contrast. So it should give a really good result. Like, I think it still has some way that it can be improved, and with Adobe finally diving deep into AI, I think they're gonna totally give us some amazing news or amazing outcomes next. So next I have another anime manga panel. So as usual, go to the neural filter and press on the colorize option. So it's taking a little bit time because my laptop sometimes gets hanged. So yeah, here it is, the colorize option, and as you can see, it's working on device and not bad. Like, this one looks really good, well balanced, the hair and everything as usual. Feel free to just adjust the tones and everything. So I will shift to my next experiments, which are some comic images. So here I have a comic image, and I'm gonna apply the neural filter, and boom, the result, amazing. Like, really, the look and everything. Let's just zoom in. Not there. Don't bad. So moving on to the next image. This one also a black and white, kind of like a digital art. So let's see how well it works with this one. And not bad. I mean, the color looks a little bit washed out on the background, but the tone and everything looks good. So this one a simplistic, like childish color book or something like that. And wow, much better. So sometimes it gives really much better results. Sometimes the color looks washed out. I guess they have to train the model much more. So we'll see in the furthermore in the future. So this was the experiment. See you in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.